Okay, so welcome back to Cash's Cooking Show. Today we're going to be making soup, okay? And we have two special visitors, okay? They're coming in 3, 2, 1. They're coming in.
Yeah!
Okay, it's Hunter and Landon.
Landon's over there. I think I kicked him with my foot.
All right. Yeah, let's just
I think I have a broken toe.
let's just stand up.
He's right there. See him?
This is him. Okay. Okay, no, stop faking it. Okay.
I know.
So,
That actually
So
hurt.
today we're going to be making soup. What you're going to need is a delicious broth that's composed out of water and some milk. You're going to need some salt in a little bag, some cheese, a spoon, and a bowl.
This is gonna be yummy.
Good.
So
We should do the salt first. Yeah, right there.
Wait, no, let's put the cubes in first.
Cube. Okay.
So that way
I
they
can
can
put
be
in the
salt.
salt.
Okay. We're going to put in the cubes.
Can I
Are
touch
we
some?
gonna put this in the microwave?
What?
Are we gonna put? Okay.
Later. I want to tear one.
Okay, fine. I'll just eat this. No, I don't want
There
that.
it is.
Okay, so now that you have your cubes in, it should look a little something like that.
And then you need to salt the cubes.
Okay, you're gonna open it up and salt them.
And then
Just pour it all in.
This is
looks
so good. Great.
Okay, so now you're gonna put in some of the broth.
Let's come hold it right here.
This is what it should look like with some salt on the cheese. Okay? Now that you have your milk
Pour in
and water,
just a little at the beginning.
just a little. Then you'll mix it up and pour in a little more. Just a little.
Okay, that's good.
Looks like. Oh,
Cheese soup. That's so good.
Okay. And I will be the first one to try it.
Looks like baby milk with little orange chunks.
Okay, this is what it should look like. You can't really see anything because of all the milk water stuff.
And there's a little orange you can see, I think.
yeah. So I'm gonna
Just dip your finger in it.
well, I'm gonna get the whole experience. Okay, you have to let them see.
Okay.
See? We got the broth and the cheese
Wait.
and the salt. It's yummy.
Oh.
Mmm.
Why'd you put it back in? You're so stupid.
okay. Now we can't eat it, right? What did he do?
That's been all for Cash's Cooking Show. That was good. So that's how you make soup. And next time we're going to make other stuff. Bye!